This is the best dessert hack ever. First, you take vanilla ice cream, and then you take other yummy things that you want to put in it, like lavender. Ah, je suis en Provence. Your guests are gonna go wild when we try this. Step 1, blitz the lavender. Meet my cousin Blitz. Then you blend. That's it. It's that simple. Now that's ice cream with an attitude. Wild, creamy, and just a hint of lavender. I wanted to say perfect, because it's perfect. Your guests are gonna go wild when they try this. And then back in the freezer. I bought this from a local bakery that I love. I hope you see how easy this is and you're gonna try it. Lavender ice cream with a micro basil garnish? What's that? Trust me, it's a new classic. Lavender ice cream. If you have not, you have to. The lavender is so wild, it takes it to a whole new level. Now get that to the table.